Good morning, guys. We woke up at 6:45 and we've come down to Cabo Roig beach to watch the sunrise. We've brought our snorkels as well, so hopefully the sea isn't too nippy and we'll get in and have a snorkel when the sun comes up.
It's way too early.
It's way too early.
To be doing this.
We've had about 4 hours sleep. Ronan was gigging last night, but I've wanted to do this all year. So we think we might be at the wrong beach for the sunrise. We're at Cabo Roig, well, one of the beaches along the Cabo Roig promenade, and we think that the sunrise is at Zenia beach.
We'll still get the sunrise, obviously, because the sun has to come up somewhere, but it's going to come up over the hills. It's still going to be nice.
Yeah, it'll still be nice, but if you do want to get up, especially for sunrise, just go to Zenia beach. It's a shame that the sea is really wavy today as well. It does seem a bit choppy. Not sure if it's ideal for snorkelling. We'll see, it might calm down in a bit. It's not as cold as we thought, but the waves are mental. Yeah, we attempted it, too wavy, but we are going to head to a different beach as the water isn't as cold as we expected, so we are going to try and have a swim somewhere. It's still really early, still really fresh. It's just a bit wavy here. Even though it seems to have calmed down since we've got out. Off to the next beach.
Yep.
A few hours later, we came to Cala Capitan in Zenia, and the waves here were absolutely mental. Surfers' paradise, really, but we're no surfers. But no, we pretty much fell asleep here, and it's about 10 o'clock now. So we've been here a while. We've just been flat out, fast asleep, but we are going to go and get some brunch soon, so we'll take you there. Sorry it hasn't been as planned, like we haven't gone snorkeling unfortunately, but we will eventually, because there's loads of great snorkeling spots around here, but it won't be today, I'm afraid. He's still asleep. Are you hungry?
A little, but more tired than hungry.
Yeah. I don't really think getting for sunrise is for us. I'd rather see a sunset, wouldn't you? It was lovely though, I did enjoy it, and like it was really beautiful and calm and relaxing, but I think once it's all happened, once the sun's up, you know, you just feel tired. I feel like I want to sleep most of the day now. So I actually used to come down this beach with all my family when I was younger, when I used to come on holiday here to Spain, and we would all set up over there and play a game of rounders, and it would be so much fun. We'd all be playing loads of games and stuff. We'd always have such a laugh on this beach. I have so many memories here. But another thing you can do here is get massages. There's a few Chinese women who walk around offering massages at a pretty decent price. I was just about to have one, but I was already half asleep, so I thought I wouldn't enjoy it if I was asleep anyway. But the funniest thing happened, like my granddad used to get a massage and he would just fall asleep. So he'd be lying in the middle and he'd have his massage and he'd be falling asleep, and we would all like really quietly pack up everything around him and we'd sneak off and hide, and then he'd wake up and he'd be lying there on his own and he'd be half asleep and all confused. And when he did eventually see us, like the whole beach would start clapping, like everybody was in on it. Everyone would just be giving him a round of applause. He was so embarrassed. Now, I've got a lot of memories here. So we are here at Rosee Club Cafe. This was recommended to me by my sister. She came here with a friend for brunch the other day and it looked gorgeous. It does look really busy inside, so we're going to hopefully get a table. Your beautiful background. This place looks gorgeous. And it's obviously really popular as well. It's really busy, which I wasn't expecting because it's still quite early. So if you do want to come here, like midday or something, I'd say probably best to reserve a table just to make sure you don't miss out. So it was really hard to decide what to order for breakfast as there is so much choice and it all looks absolutely amazing. But I've gone for the Vertigo breakfast, which is fresh orange juice, coffee or tea, fresh fruit salad and banana and honey oatmeal pancakes with Greek yogurt and muesli. I'm going to be full, but that looks amazing. Living sweet moments, milli moments. Like and subscribe. They've passed my test already. Look at that little kettle. A teapot, not a kettle.
Oh my god.
You know what, I'm keeping that in there. Oh my god, it's fresh tea leaves as well. That deserves a round of applause. I love it here already. Am I happy with that? Anyone who knows me knows I love my tea. Are you enjoying yours?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's smoked salmon with avocado and beetroot mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
Yeah.
I totally have another one.
Yeah. Mine's really nice and it's a nice portion size. I was expecting more pancakes, I will admit. Like I was expecting either like one big pancake or a stack, and it's quite a small pancake, but it is really nice. But yeah, I like that you do get a mixture of like the yogurt, the muesli, the fruit, pancake. You do have a good mixture. So yeah, it's really nice. So we've had a lovely brunch at Rosee Club Cafe. I would definitely recommend this spot. The food was great, the service was fantastic. I'll leave a link in the description of the location and it wasn't too badly priced either, so I would definitely come back. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with us on our day off. We're gonna go home and rest now as we got up so early, but it was worth it. We've had a lovely morning. I know this vlog was a little bit different to usual, but let me know in the comments if you do enjoy coming with us on our day off, seeing what we get up to. We've really enjoyed taking you along with us. If you've enjoyed today's vlog, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next week.